Hello and welcome back. So in the last video, we elaborated this CIC filter. In this video, we are going to synthesize it. Now, synthesis is a pretty automated process. There is some freedom as far as the optimization. Some designers will have like whole optimization scripts to ensure that the design is being synthesized exactly how they intend for it to be. And in AMS designs, which can be synthesized using Genus, there are a lot more considerations. But for a pure digital design, like the one that we're doing now, and for something as simple as this, it's as easy as just SynGen, which is just generic synthesis. And this will run. And when this is done, we've synthesized our design and we're happy. The next thing to do is to map this synthesized design, because we now have a synthesized net list where we know where every single gate is placed on the design. We want to map that to the library that we imported earlier, and we do that with synmap. And it establishes that there's this many gates and this many sequential cells, and it sees what it can do. Now, it's done its best effort to give us a good design, but what we want to do is optimize that. SynOpt. Took no time at all. And then GUI shell. We can see the results. So before, if you go back to the previous videos, you'll see what our elaborated design was, but this is our synthesized design. Now, there's a lot of stuff that you can do with your RTL to ensure that your net list is very similar to like what your RTL is describing, without actually describing the individual gates. But if you really wanted to, you could write just a net list in RTL and throw it in here, and it would try its best to just optimize your net list. But this is more or less exactly what we need for our design. You can see it. It's good. Very short video, because synthesis is not the hard part of the design. It's all the constraining and the actual RTL that you're building, and then implementation when you get to that point can also be tricky. But as far as synthesis goes, it's 3 simple commands.